Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Yevi Wahyu Agustina. My major is Natural Science Education at the University of Trunojoyo Madura in the 3rd semester. In this video, I want to show you about 2 simple science experiments with balloon. Okay, let's start to doing experiment.
The first experiment is going to a nail-resistant balloon. The tool and material are 1 nail box and 2 balloons.
Okay, first, blow the butt of the balloon. Next, put 1 nail. And take 1 balloon and press it on the nail. The balloon is break. Next, take a lot of the nail. And then take a balloon and press it on the lot of the nail. Okay, see what happened. The balloon is not break. Why did the balloon pressed on 1 nail explode and the balloon pressed on many nails not explode?
The explanation is, in physics, if the surface area of the object is small, the pressure generated is greater. That means, because the surface of 1 nail is small, the one of the nail produces great pressure. The pressure is able to penetrate the balloon, so the balloon is break. While many nails have large surface, the pressure is much smaller than 1 nail, so the nail were unable to penetrate the balloon and the balloon remained intact. The second experiment is that fireproof balloon. The tool and material are
2 balloons, 1 matches, 1 candle, 1 plate, and a cup of the water. First, light a candle. Put the candle on the plate. Blow the 1 balloon and put the balloon on the fire. Wow, the balloon is break. Light a candle again and blow the second balloon like this, and take a cup of water and put water to the balloon. Okay, put the balloon on the fire. See what happened with the balloon. The balloon is not break. Why do balloons not filled with water break, while the balloon filled with water do not break?
The explanation is, when a balloon filled with water is burned, the water absorbs most of the heat from the fire. The balloon doesn't get hot because the heat is passed on by water that absorbs heat, so the balloon doesn't immediately break. While the balloon that does not contain water will break quickly because the balloon receives heat directly.
Okay guys, that's all the simple science experiment by me. Sorry if made a mistake, and thanks for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.